So first, atong set up ang atong client, install atong Windows niya, and also the server R2, which is installed. Lalanta sa atong startup. And then, yung sa atong R2 na OS, and then access atong terms. And then, nilita sa partition, so new, and then also apply lang ito. Then next, wait lang na siyang loading niya. So just wait for a while. It takes a minute to load. Also right here, set up na itong So 10 Pro itong gamito na OS sa itong client. And then accept na itong mga terms niya. Then also the partition, the basic partition lang. And then also next. So yeah, let's gonna wait for the loading. So okay, muna siya tanan. So first, gonna put some password in our server. So dere gonna use keyboard. So lagi na to tong reset auto password sa tong admin. So dere na nata sa atong desktop sa tong Windows Server na R12. And then nata sa tong dashboard. So loading ang dashboard. So mga tong dashboard. So first na nagado itong i-change sa tong change name tab. So go to the properties and then change itong settings. So itong name ano kay server, and then also the IP atong workgroup. And gana mag-restart na siya. So just wait for a while. Yeah, it's already changed. And close and restart. And then we're gonna set up our client. So yeah. And then just click yes. And the United States, skip. Right here, I'm gonna use that and then put some password. So we already changed our server name. So first, what's gonna do? First thing, check out on ping. check itong IP address na to. So as you can see, yeah, default is the IPv4. So ito siyang set up sa IPv4 na TCP. So copy lang ato default na IP address P0 and the IP service na kan default na. So ang gateway na to, so 10.0.2 and then 2. So 192.168. No. 10, 0, 2, and 2. And then, yeah. Already changed our IP on the IPv4 TCP. After that, it's gonna go to the manage. So mag-tag rules first. Next. So active the domain, add to also this is CP features, DNS, of course, and also the file server, and the last one is the the print, and the last one is the I think that's the last one. Last one is the backup. Next. Ensure, then install. So it's gonna take a minute. So it's gonna wait. So just wait for a while. So yeah, it's already installed. So we're gonna restart it. So we are here again, so we're gonna use the keyword input, Control Delete, and then enter our password again. So we are here again at the server desktop. Then also add new rules and features. Yeah, the DHCP is already installed. So now we're gonna add some forest, a new forest. So let's wait for the loading. So on the forest, we're gonna name it server forest. Yeah, basic one.